Need tree help around Los Gatos or San Jose? Appletree Services has you covered. Whether a big limb is hanging over your roof, you need a full tree removal, or you just want clean, healthy tree trimming and pruning, we'll handle it safely and respectfully. We also do stump grinding and stump removal, so your yard is ready for grass, patios, or new planting. Got fruit trees? We can prune them for better shape and harvest. For storm damage and urgent risks, ask about emergency service. Call for info today.